Orbital space flights plummeted to $50,000, making space travel 95% more affordable.
25,000 civilians reached orbit this year, more than all previous years in history combined.
The first orbital hotel opened with 24 guest capacity and 98% occupancy through 2026. Moon tourism missions sold out within hours at $2 million per seat for historic lunar flybys.
Commercial space flights achieved 500-plus missions with 0 fatalities using advanced safety systems.
The space economy hit $1 trillion as tourism drove massive growth across supporting industries.
And space tourist training reduced from years to 3 days through advanced simulation and preparation technologies.
Orbital activities expanded to include space sports, photography, and scientific participation for tourists. New propulsion systems made space tourism carbon neutral, addressing previous environmental concerns.
25 spaceports now operate globally, making space access available within hours for most populations.
Space tourists contributed to medical research, accelerating microgravity health studies by decades. Space tourism is just beginning. Subscribe for orbital updates and interplanetary travel developments.